color. Yeah. Do it all in color.
Good evening, my beauties. Welcome back. I am back with another video. It is a cold Tuesday evening. I want to make something warm, something delicious, something quick because it's late and I want to eat. Anyway, where are my manners? I am Masiola. For those of you who are new, I see that the channel is growing a little bit. This is my BeautienTreats channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you stay and I hope you like my videos. I create content around makeup, skincare, food, and around my life. I don't want to make this intro too long, so I am going to be making a really delicious, quick and easy meal. It's pumpkin soup. Comment down below and let me know if you will be trying my recipe, because I am going to be showing you. It's very quick, it's very light, it's very healthy as well. Okay, I'm loving my nails. They're so cute. I did them. What do you guys think? I'm actually just like really pink today. I don't know if you guys want to see my outfit. Let me cook.
My beauties, I am just making butternut soup, okay? I don't know why I keep saying pumpkin soup, but anyway, I'm just prepping some veggies here. I'm chopping some onion, some tomato, leftover green peppers and red peppers, I think. I'm also going to do that small carrot and the main ingredient, the pumpkin. Butternut. Why do you keep saying pumpkin? You can chop the veggies anyhow you like, but for me, this is how I like to chop them because they're going to go into a blender and they're going to be blended up nicely into a soupy consistency. So that's basically what we're doing. It's really not that difficult. But do let me know on the comment section when I've posted this video if you'd like me to change the description box to put in the full recipe of this light, delicious meal. Okay, all right, let's continue. The butternut seeds and put them in this small container here so that I can use them for later. I actually want to try this butternut seed snack that people are raving about. They say it's so delicious and it's so healthy for you. So I'm going to do a short and let you guys know how do they taste.
You up the way, but you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it. So relax and let me speak. I'm more. You can between. you up the way. Let you buy where you like it. It's like we could try it. Just relax and let the business. I'm more. Keep in between. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Yeah. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Yeah. Work it again. Wait. Work it again. Wait. Just want you all the way around. Let you buy where you like it. It's like we can try it. Just relax and let it slip. I'm more. Keep in between.
Back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a
Okay guys, so I am done cooking. I'm tired. I just quickly want to eat and wash off my makeup and relax. Well, actually sleep. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my pumpkin soup recipe, and please comment below and let me know if you will be interested in trying it. Trust me, it is as delicious as it looks. Okay, so be sure that you are subscribed and that you will not miss another video. Alrighty then, bye.